Concrete construction is one of the most complex parts of the construction process, and making sure you nail that inspection process is one of the key things that VisiBuild is here to implement. Getting into the inspection is as simple as clicking into the first of the inspections here. So I've got pre-pour checks. When I jump into here, I can see the status of our work on the project here. I can see the key information relevant to the inspection. So I've got the drawings in here. I've got the concrete mix design. I've got the reinforcement detail. I've got everything I need to understand to monitor and make sure that this is built correctly. We can see here today, the formwork here is nearly complete. We're starting to get ready to install more reinforcement, and I can see that the formwork has already started to complete their inspection. That is one of the really unique advantages of VisiBuild, is that previously this information was siloed and you didn't get these quality assurance records until after the fact. Right in my hand here, I have the status of every single trade involved in this process. We've got the formworker involved, the steel fixer involved, the PT contractor, structural steel consultants. Everyone is live right now completing their inspections directly in the VisiBuild application. Having all of the information you need at your fingertips to understand the status of the works on site and the status of the trades relevant to this part of the works is of critical importance. Another key part of this process that's really important is that nothing's fixed. If we identify issues as we're completing these inspections, these can be raised directly in the application. Where that's really important is when our structural engineer comes out to site, they're going to go through the process of inspecting the formwork, inspecting the reinforcement. They're going to raise issues. Never before have we had this information available at our fingertips. With the VisiBuild software, we can now see exactly where every single one of these trades in this really complicated process is at, and make sure that they're completing their quality checks at the time of the works and in real time. We all know the nuances of construction. It's a difficult place to work, and sometimes there's no mobile phone reception. Have no reception, it doesn't matter. You can still complete those critical checks and they'll sync in the background when you get back into a zone of reception. The key is we have all of the information we need, and completing an inspection is as simple as jumping into the inspection takes you to the next task relevant to do and completing the requirements. The setup of these inspections is unique to every business, and so you're completing the inspections and the checks relevant to your business and relevant to your quality plan. But the key is we're now creating complete visibility over the entire process.